Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys? Here we have a 2003 Chevy Impala. We're going to be doing some videos today. If you need parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. We're going to open the trunk. I'm going to take these 7mm bolts out with a 7mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. There's 1, 2, 3. This middle one has a bracket, so the bracket's going to come down. Oops. So pull that bolt out, pull this bracket out, it just slides out. Pull this last one out. Pull that bolt out. We can grab this, some retainers, kind of hold it in place a little bit. Might stick on there a little bit. Pull that down. And to remove this connector, we just use a straight blade screwdriver. Slide it in there just a little bit and pull it off. And there's your light. This light is little LEDs, so there's no bulbs to replace. You would just have to replace the whole unit. We're going to reinstall this. We'll just connect the connector right here. Just snap it in place. We're going to slide it up. Make sure you line it up. I'm going to start the 2 bolts on the outside first. Once those are in, then I'll install this bracket. Slide it in position. And push up. Install this bolt. And I'll tighten them down. Before you tighten it up all the way, you may have to move the light assembly. You can move it side to side a little bit before you snug it up. And we'll tighten up these bolts. And snug that bolt up.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.